Good morning, grade 6. I hope you're all doing well. Today we'll have a revision lesson about writing a review. So let's get started. So on page 84, we did a book review earlier in the term. And we went through what a book review is, which we know is a short report that describes or discusses a new book. Then we also went through the after you read questions, and we specifically discussed question 4, which says each part of a book review has a different purpose. Each describe a paragraph or part that review gives you each piece of information. So we have 4 different paragraphs that gives you information about the specific book that you are reviewing. And then you have to write a book review about following the layout in question 4. But today I would like you to write a television review. So your topic will be, what is your favorite series or movie to watch during quarantine or the lockdown? So you will need to discuss who are the characters, what makes it interesting to watch, describes the plot, so the story of the show, tells us about the setting, the wardrobe, the clothes that the characters wear, and any plot twist, anything interesting plot twist that happens in the series or movie. And then you give your opinion and why you would recommend the show or series to anybody. So it's basically the same layout as a book review, but you're just doing it on a television series. So this is the new layout that you will use for your review. You will firstly have your heading, which is the title of the series or show. So for example, if I had to take the show SpongeBob SquarePants, that would be my heading. Then underneath that, I would have my paragraph 1, which should tell the person why should someone watch this, what makes it interesting. In paragraph 2, you discuss who are the main characters and you give a short description of them. So for example, the main character in SpongeBob SquarePants is SpongeBob. He is a yellow sponge who is very funny and has a very quirky laugh. So that's just a short description of that main character. And you can also discuss the other characters that are in the series as well. Then paragraph 3, what is the series about? So here you need to discuss the plot, which is what happens in the series or the movie, and the setting. So where does it take place? Is it in a forest? Is it in a little town? So you need to discuss that as well. Then the last paragraph, number 4, what is your opinion? So your opinion of the show, if you think it's funny, if you think it's silly, if you think it's very interesting, and why do you recommend this series? So that's where you tell the person that's reading your review why you recommend it. And then your word count would be 100 to 120 words. Okay, so you write your heading, your date and page number, and draw a line. So you write your television review about the topic I've just discussed, and don't forget your word count. So that's all for today's revision lesson. Enjoy it. Write something interesting about your favorite series or movie that you like to watch during quarantine. Enjoy your weekend and have a nice day. Bye.